And welcome to our Super Bowl Sunday edition of What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Miss Cerugio. We are so excited to welcome your students into our hive. And we're even more excited because this Thursday, February the 7th, from 6:30 to 8 p.m. is our spring semester Meet the Teacher. Please come out and join our hive. We can't wait to meet you and to show you a little bit of the things we're going to be doing this semester in our class. Don't forget, our Wednesday Common Lit title is Going to School as a Refugee. It is due Wednesday by 10:30 a.m. And our Khan Academy Parts of Speech lessons are still due on the 22nd. We are very excited to have our new hive in our class and already working so hard. Please make sure you're keeping up with deadlines and assignments. We are hardworking bees in our hive in 2106. And it is very important that our students stay on task and stay on top of their assignments. One of our mottos is stay ready so you don't have to get ready. This week, we're going to read Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to start out by a guided reading and doing some text-dependent questions to work on being able to draw textual evidence out of our text. On Tuesday, we're going to do a literary analysis of Thank You Ma'am and write a tied paragraph based on a prompt. On Wednesday, we're going to do our formative assessment on theme, and we're going to do some literary device reviews after that assessment. On Thursday and Friday, we're going to watch To Kill a Mockingbird, and students have a viewing guide that they're going to complete. And we're going to watch a TED Talk as well. Also on Friday, we have our second vocabulary quiz. Vocabulary words are found in Google Classroom. And let's just go look at what that's looking like right about now. So this is our fourth block hive Google Classroom. If you go to Unit 1, you have our vocabulary lists. For week 4, 3, 2. This is our Greek and Latin root words is ject and sect. It also has, even though students were given a list the first day of school, the SAT, ACT word list for this week is Unit 2, the A through B. Awesome. So you'll see the Thank You Ma'am assignments for Monday and Tuesday and the To Kill a Mockingbird viewing guide questions also in our Unit 1 under our classwork stream. Also, the Common Lits are also in Google Classroom. If you look on the stream, it'll tell you the things that are upcoming. Those are a quick way to click to those as well. So everything you need is on Google Classroom. It can be found in this video, which I'm also going to upload to our Twitter page and put on our class website. We are so excited to meet everybody on Thursday night. We'll look forward to seeing everybody, and let's keep buzzing in the hive. Thanks. Bye-bye.